Predictive Astrology by M.N. Kedar is a comprehensive guide that delves into intricate world of astrology. As an astrologer, Kedar provides valuable insights and practical tools for understanding planetary influences, interacting with birth charts, and making accurate predictions. Let's explore the key aspects of this book. Strong foundation, which author provides us. Kedar's approach focuses on building a solid foundation. Unlike many other astrology books that overwhelm readers with intricate details, he distills essential concepts. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced practitioner, Kedar emphasizes on fundamentals ensures clarity. One standout feature in Kedar's writing are the use of time maps. These maps allow readers to track planetary movements and predict significant life events. By aligning planetary positions with personal timelines, Kedar demystifies fate and empowers readers to make informed choices. Third, very elaborated point is that throughout the book, Kedar provides practical examples. He illustrates how to apply astrological principles to real life scenarios, whether it's analyzing career prospects, relationships, or health. Kedar's case studies enhance understanding. While giving clarity in Dasha system, which plays a crucial role in Vedic astrology, they can be confusing. Kedar sir emphasizes Dasha analysis, emphasizing the critical period, while giving clarity in Dasha system, which plays a crucial role in Vedic astrology. They can be confusing. Kedar sir simplifies Dasha analysis, emphasizing the critical period, while giving clarity in Dasha system, which plays a crucial role in Vedic astrology. They can be confusing. Kedar sir simplifies Dasha analysis, emphasizing the critical periods when specific planets influence our life. His clarity helps readers navigate complex charts. Fifth highlighted point will be, he does not limit astrology to predictions only. He encourages readers to explore their spiritual journey, emphasizing self-awareness and growth. His holistic perspective bridges the gap between destiny and free will. So, advanced astrology students can seek help from this book. Predictive Astrology, it's a gem for those seeking practical insights. Kedar sir's lucid writing style focuses on essentials and emphasizes on time maps, makes this book a valuable addition to any astrologer's library. Whether you are a believer or not, Kedar's work invites exploration and self-discovery.